guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to recreate the look of the Wednesday. I hope you guys like my recreation. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's start the makeup, and first step is primer. For the primer I am using here MyGlamm primer. This primer is so good. It helps to minimize my pores so quickly and also make my skin so smooth. That's why I'm really in love with this primer. And guys, you can see Wednesday skin is looking so natural, like no makeup kind of look. So that's why we are not layering our face too much, like with concealer, then contour, then blush. We just do a really quick makeup look like her, like no makeup look. Now I'm just blending my foundation with the help of Cuffs and Lashes makeup brushes. These brushes are also so good. All products that I'm using will be in the description box. Now I'm just contouring my face because she has very sharp jawline, which I don't have. So that's why I'm using the inside concealer to contour my full face. And I also use some contour on my cheeks to give them a lifted look, and also above my lips to create some fake lines. So yeah, I just want to look like her, but at the last I don't look like her. So now I'm just setting my base with the help of Popexo palette. I'm using the translucent powder. Now I'm just filling my eyebrows with the help of Hilary Rhoda palette. I'm using an angle brush now, and I'm using the darkest shade from the palette. Now just with the help of spoolie, I just comb my eyebrows. Now I'm using the Recode kajal in my upper waterline. That's helped to give me a very natural liner kind of effect that's looked so natural. Now I'm using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate eyeshadow palette. And guys, don't forget to check the description box. All product detail will be there, so please check the description box one time. Now I'm using a small brush to smudge my kajal a little bit. Now I'm using the same shade that I used in my eyebrows for like give more definition to my eyes. Next I'm using Lakme white kajal to make my eyes look big like her. She have really good big eyes, which I don't have. So if you have small eyes like me, you can use white kajal. Now I'm just coating my eyelashes with the help of Swiss Beauty Ultimate mascara, and I am also coating my lower lashes just to make my eyes look more bigger. Now I'm using the lightest shade from the eyebrow palette just to make little wrinkles type of things like her. And now next step is lipstick, and she has really good pouty lips, so that's why I'm just overlining my lips a little bit. And I hope you guys like my recreation.
You're gone, I'll tell them my religion's you, and punk just comes to kill the king upon his throne. I'm ready for their stones. I'll dance with my hands above my head, like Jesus said. I'm gonna dance with my hands above my head. Together, forgive him before he's dead, because I'll dance with my hands above my head,